I know you got 99 problems, but I bet AI will not be one. Go ahead and join this deal. For only $99, you're going to unlock 99 AI classes. That's right. That's 2 years worth of lessons that we've done here as live classes inside of Innate Academy. It's a $4,000 value. There's no subscription needed. You get instant access to these 99 classes. But not just the classes. Let me show you what you're also going to get access to. How to make money with AI, okay? You can sell digital products as Clipart packs, digital papers, storybooks, family portraits, AI twins, animated intros, holiday graphics, branding kits. And that's just the digital product side. You can also do printed products such as photo books and memorial books, event posters and backdrops, holiday cards and invitations, and also party decor bundles. On top of that, you have services that you can offer: photo restoration, event graphic packages, business branding packages, and even doing family portrait sessions without having to have a high-end camera, a photo shoot studio, or any of that. Now, it's not just about learning. This is about having fun and being able to create what can be cash flow for your business. So we started in AI about 2 years ago. You get access to all of the projects that we've done since then. We started with doing embroidery. We did photo shoot, face swapping. We did custom characters for your mascots. We also did memorial, and with this, you can reimagine memorial in such beautiful settings that you won't even know how well you can impress your customers until they start crying in tears of joy from seeing how their loved one is presented. That's going to be a power that you possess. Also, imagine those gender reveal images being upgraded. Photo shoot sessions with the kiddos that you have no budget whatsoever for the costuming and the backdrops, and creating these special experiences, not just for a quick image that can be sent out, but also these can be event graphics, y'all. So that puts you in a totally different playing field. Creating coloring book images, as well as doing mock-ups for your products. Of course, creating AI models that you can use for graduation. That's important because maybe you don't want to be using someone's true image. So we show you how to create models in order to get around that. Also, creating your own Clipart packs for Valentine's Day, for St. Patrick's Day, for all of the occasions you can think of. You can make your own images and then create with those, or sell them as Clipart packs on Etsy. Also, creating event graphics is really cool because you can show how your product is going to look mock-up inside of the actual event scenario. So that's more believable. It gives you a lot of grace when it comes to a customer believing that you're going to give them the best product possible. We go into creating custom superheroes, whether it's mom or dad or even the kiddos. We can create custom superheroes with ease, whether it be photorealistic or cartoon style, comic book style. This is going to help you all create a whole nother lane in your artistic business. Go ahead and create those clip art packs for, this one is for a vacation. Totally making sure that these graphics match a certain theme, which is difficult to do sometimes when you download Clipart and you have to arrange each piece so that it fits within your particular project. You don't have to do that anymore. You're making your own Clipart from scratch. Don't forget about this family reunion. It tends to be a little bit boring and just redone and overdone. You can get so creative, and we show you how to do that within AI as well. Create your custom floral graphics that can be used as floor wraps and banners, backdrops, invitations. That's a really popular class as well. And don't forget, we show you how to mock it up into real settings where you show the real tablescapes. This is a party on a yacht, and we did the entire concept right inside of AI. And the clip art graphics again. Don't forget that you can make your own viral clip art. So these bows were trending really well. This is a class from about a year ago that still trends to this day because you can use this to make clip art graphics that you'll be able to throw into your projects even now. So of course we follow and show you how to do the trends, but we also show you how to make it evergreen and work for any occasion in timelessness. So here we have some holiday graphics that were turned into event graphics, and I'm talking about 4x8 boards and 8x8 backdrops and floor wraps. So I even show you how you're going to, of course, create that imagery, but what do you need to do to upscale it and make sure that it can print large format? We have, of course, memorial and these beautiful letters that you can make for your own font and for your own design there. We even did a sneakerhead theme here where we did a sneaker ball. That was really fun. I think that AI is limitless. So whatever you all come up with, I guarantee you we can use AI to solve those 99 problems. Let me show you how to make your own caricatures or your anime characters from photos. Again, we did a graduation photo shoot here without having to step into a studio at all. And we're able to even create these mock-ups here where it looks like a beautiful presentation that you would see in a magazine. You're able to create those with AI. And we even do the fun stuff like walking out of the packaging, creating those popular viral clip arts and imagery of yourself as a certain puppet character or even a cartoon character. We've done that all. Creating those beautiful images that you can use for even anniversaries, weddings, and high-end graphics, not just the little kitty cartoony stuff. I show you how to really get into this and make sure that you're designing at a pro level from home. Of course, we have graduation again here, and this final lap theme, I promise you, will help you sell for this graduation season. It is only a matter of a couple of months, but you could be ahead of the game by having access to these AI classes. I'll also show you how to create video animations from your graphics as well, so that you can create video banners for the websites. You can create video images that you will use for these events. A lot of times I use them as their stage videos. So from there, I'll show you how to do models and use those models, change their outfits, and really create an entire senior shoot from just AI. And then, of course, we get into our party here for the kids. This is a timeless category you're always going to be able to use. But take a look at this. You're doing storybook creation. You're doing videos from those images. You're even making custom music that features that birthday girl or that birthday boy and making their own song. Now, here are the last few classes that we've done. I know these are really popular right now, doing the photo restoration, creating your AI twin, and then finally creating a group family photo session. And this could be a group where you don't have any images of anyone standing together and you can create this look. So if AI has had you a little shook, if it has even caused you a little bit of fear, have no fear. You have 99 problems solved right here with these live classes that we did. You have access to the recordings, the images that we created from there, as well as the prompt books. But truly, you have access to the power to know how to use this AI to create real money and create real results for your business. Don't sleep on this. For less than $1 a class, because I give you a bonus class, and you're really getting 100 classes. For less than $1 per class, you're going to unlock this full potential of AI. And I'll probably even see you in our live sessions, because once you unlock all of this, I guarantee you're going to want to be in our weekly live classes, and I'll tell you how to do that too. So don't sleep on this, and please don't play with AI. Get paid with AI. Let me show you how to do that, and I'll see you inside of the vault.